That's for you. Are you ready? Alright. I don't know how they fit this big thing in this little box. You want to see it? Come on, this is for you. What do you think? Are you excited? Oh, you've got to wait 24 to 72 hours for you to enjoy this. Oops. Should have seen that coming. Alright, here we go. Okay. Well, is this the top? I guess this is the top. Okay. Carefully open. Generously fluff. Give the bed a good fluffing to help it inflate correctly. It looks inflated, right? You don't. Okay. Awesome. Okay. Wait 24 to 72 hours before your furry friend's new bed to expand completely. Okay. Apparently, I guess it's going to expand a little more. Alright. The same thing with this. I've never felt so neat. This part has to fluff up too. What do you think? You're gonna like it? It's soft. Alright, now I gotta figure out how to Ooh, here's a zipper. Oh, I saw a zipper. Oh, yep, okay. Solid zipper, solid zipper. Okay, try this then. Here we go. Here we go. Alright. Don't look at me like that. I don't know what I'm doing either. There we go. What do you think? Oh, it's kind of hard. You want to try it out? and then I can put it up for a few days. You want to try it? You're going to follow the rules. Why are you such a rule follower? You're such a good dog. Come on. What do you think? Come on. Yeah, it's for your hips. It's for you. Alright, we'll follow the rules. We'll give it a few days. Such a good girl. Alright, my sweet girl.